SlipDoctors Tuff Grip Extreme is a high-performance anti-slip urethane coating designed for areas that need a high-traction textured surface. Tuff Grip Extreme can be applied to metal, concrete, wood, and painted surfaces. Tuff Grip Extreme includes Tuff Grip Crosslinker, and Textured Roller. Use a hand drill to thoroughly mix Tuff Grip. Pour Tuff Grip into a separate container. Add Crosslinker and mix well using a hand drill mixer. Mixed material will have a pot life of 30 to 90 minutes. Use included roller to apply one thick coat. Allow to dry for 10 minutes, then back roll with light even pressure to create high traction peaks. Tuff Grip Extreme will dry in 4 to 6 hours for light traffic. Tuff Grip provides long-lasting, high-traction anti-slip protection in commercial and industrial areas. Enjoy your new anti-slip surface by SlipDoctors. Scan the QR code to download the technical datasheet. Don't slip, get a grip.